Exercise 14 question number 1. Two variable s and x are basically it is given like this: 4 times 7x. It is like y equal 47x. Y equal 47x 4 times. So show that this one. We can see that question number A, the log is appear. Then we have to apply log to this, and we know the pattern of this sum now. So we have to apply log s. We know that this is 10 base equal log 4 times 7x. Then this is going to be log 4 plus log 7x. Then this is log 4 plus this is the third one. First one is 10, second one, so first one base 10, second one, third one will come out 10 7. So log s. So we'll put y equal mx plus c form, or s is okay. Now we got the answer now, and we'll bring into a y equal mx c form. So this is log s equal, what are the variables? This is the dependent, this is the independent. So y equal mx plus c form means this is independent, this is dependent. So then log 10 to the power 7, that is a constant, and then the variable, and then the variable, and then constant. Log 4. So this is y equal mx plus c form. In this part B, it says the straight line graph of a log s and x is plotted. Write down the gradient and the value of the intercept on the vertical axis. So they draw x and log s. It means they draw this one, x and log s, and then the gradient is this one, m, log 10 to the power 7, and y-intercept c is log 4, log base. If there is no base here, it means 10. So this is gradient, and this is y-intercept. It is not really y-intercept, there is no y, that is log s-intercept in other way. Intercept of vertical axis. This one. Question number 2 also in the same format when you read. A equal 6x4. Then we have to apply logarithms for question part A. This is log A. So log A equal 4 log x plus log 6. So this is y equal m x plus c. So y equal mx plus c, this form. So part B, they plotted log x against log a, which is this one. Then gradient gradient m equal 4 and intercept c, intercept on vertical axis is log 6. So we have to find the log 6 value and we can keep as a decimal. So approximately 0.78. Question number 3. X and Y data given, and then there is another one, log X and log Y. So the first one is 0.48, 1.21 is given, then other one is 0.0, and this is blank, and this one I will write down to the 0.70 and 0.90 and 1 and 1.18 is given 2.19. Now x and y we are going to turn into logs and log y, so we need these values. We can find this is this one is log 33. This value is log 33.3. This one log 64.3, and this one log 87.9. So basically 1.52, 1.81 and 1.94. Then we have to draw this graph. So you will get a graph like this. And when you draw, you will get when you plot the graph. So this is going to be log x and this is log y. You can find this is approximately 0.55. What is the question? We need to find a and n. Then we have to work out y equal axn, then log x log y. So we need to apply logarithm log. Okay, I will write like this: xn times a. So log y equal log xn times a. So log y equal log xn plus log a, then log y equal n log x plus log a. So this is capital Y, this is m, this is capital X, this is capital C, this is y equal mx plus c form. So if you know the gradient is n, and if you know log a, so that is going to be the y-intercept. Actually we know this one now, this is 0.55. When you do this one, the c value is 0.55. So log a is 0.55. A equal 10 to the power 0.55. Now gradient. So I want to find the gradient m. So gradient m I can find taking to y1 minus y2, 1.81 minus 1.52, and x1 minus x2, 0.9 minus 0.70, 0.29 over 0.2. So this is going to be approximately n is 1.4. Question number 4. The data below follow the trend of y equal abx, so that is again the standard sum. Then the initial graph is x and y. I can see the table. The second table x value is x again, and this is log y. So this is my data, and now I need to fill this question. Part A is the table. So this is going to be, I can see top x and the bottom graph table x is going to be the same, so that is 2. Okay, so this is x, and this is going to be log y. So you can find this one. So this is 2, 3, 5, 6.5, and 9. They are all same. Then the other value you have to take the log value. So this is going to be log 424.4, and this is log 4000, 40,097.0, and the other one log 30763.6. The other one is log 655,743.5. Made a mistake. 235 that is no. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6.5. This is 2.10. This is 3. This is 5. This is 6.5, and this is 9. So you will get data to 2.10, 3, 2.63, 5, 3.61, 6.5, 4.49, and 9, 5.82. So first of all, we will apply this one abx. I know that x term is I need into this side, because b times xa log y equal log bxa, which is log bx plus log a. So this is going to be log y. This is x log b plus log a. So log b is a constant. I'll bring to this side log b. Then the variable is x log a, and log this is y. And this is y equal mx plus c form gradient m equal log b y intersect This is C value is log A. So M we can find the gradient taking 2 points, 5.82 minus 82 minus 2.1 and 9 minus 2. I consider those 2 points y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. Change in y over change in x. So you will get an answer, approximated answer 0.5, 0.53 gradient. It means, so this is going to be 0.53 equal log b. So b equal 10 to the power 0.53. And see from the graph, you may see this graph going with log x, and this is log b 1. So log c is 1. So c value is going to be 1. 1 equal log a equal 10 to the power 1 is 10. So a equal 10 and b equal 10 to the power 0.53. Approximately this value is going to be 0.4. Question number 5. When you read, you can see that M and R. This is one table. Other table is log M and log R. So those are the graph is going to be. Independent, dependent. Independent log M, dependent log R. So table is going to be log M, log R minus 1.52, 0.62, then so this value you will get, this is log 0.408, log 0.408. Likewise, when you take log, when you draw this one, you get a curve like this, and 1.78. So you will get, this is approximately going through 1.78 when you plot properly. And now we'll simplify this r equal AMB. So I'll write r equal MB times A. So it is easy to take the log form. Log r is log MB times A. Log MB plus log A is log r. So then B log M plus log A equal log r. So log r equal log M P. I change these two. This is constant plus log A. So this is the y equal mxc form. I took capital M because there is M again. Now if we find M gradient from the graph, then that is equal to M is equal to log m. Then we can find, so what is m? Gradient. Actually we can find gradient change in y over change in x. 2.29 minus 1.51 over 0.62 minus 0.39, and you'll get approximate answer. Let me do a small correction. I mixed up this. Mixed up. So what is the variable? Variable is log m. So b is the gradient. So this is the constant. So this is b times, we don't need actually this one. Now this is y equal m x plus c. So this is the x value. This is the y value. So m equal b. If you find gradient, straight away we will get the b. So we will get the approximate answer 0.75. So m equals 0.75. So b equal approximately 0.75. Now c is log a. C is log a. What is c value now? 1.78 is log a. So a equal 10 to the power 1.78. So a equal 60.25 approximately. 60.25. D, a equals 80, b equals 0.75. So we'll substitute to equation 60 times m 0.75. Now we have the equation. The question D, with the mass 80 kg. When m equal 80, r equals 60 times 80 times 0.75, 1604.97 approximate value. So this is kilocalorie per day. Question number 6. Can you guess the question without the steps, without reading this question? So without I'm reading, I'm taking R and F. So then I know that this is going to be R and F story is there. Then the other one log R and log R and log F. Then I realize this is log F independent, log R, and then I can see the empty table in 3. Then I want to find a log value of 861, log 92, and log 9. So I want to find those values. So then 0 log R log F. This is 0, 3.69 is given, and 1, 2, and 3. So those are the values of log when you take this is log 861, this is log 92, and this is log 9, and they all log already taken. So those are the points. Then we have to draw a graph. That's a normal standard pattern. And then I can see the equation F equal ARB. and then when I draw, I get a constant and I get the gradient. So from constant and gradient, I can find A and B. Then when I substitute here, I can find any FOR then after that. So likewise, when you read this sum, when you have good practice, you know what is going on. You sometimes you don't need to read everything, but you have to read. But the sense is important. When you draw this graph, you will get log f and r. This is this value. You will get 3.76 something approximately. Then we will find now equal AR B. We'll put log f equal. I'll put RB times A. Um, so RB times A. So this is going to be log RB times A. It means log RB plus log A equal log F. So log F equal B log R plus log A. Now this is y equal mx plus c. So m equal b. So we need to find the gradient, and c equal log a. So c we know that 3.76 equal log a. So a equal 10 to the power 3.76. And now gradient we need to find m. Change in y over change in s, 2.94 minus 3.69 over 1 minus 0. So approximately minus 0.91. So then b equal approximately 0.91. So the equation is now f equal a 10.376. This value is going to be, so you will get this value about 5754. So then this is equal f equal a 5754 r minus 0.91 r d. So when r equal 57, f equal 5754 times 57 minus 0.96 equal f equal 145, and number of times the word appear in the trilogy. Number of times word appear on is so 145 multiplied by 455125 is going to be 659.75, approximately 160 times. If you approximate this to 5800, then your answer may vary, and you will get around 690 something. Question number 7. So 160, 170, 180, like that. So they take 160 is 0. Then say this is 10 difference, and this is from 60 to this is 20. So basically you will get everything when you minus 1960 from each. So this is 10, 0, 10, 20, so on. It's not a log, it's just a introducing code to simplify. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and this is t, and this is log p. So you'll get this table when you take log. This is going to be log 7.6. This is log 9.5, log 12.1, log 13.6, log 18.3, log 23.4. Then we want to turn this one p equal abt to this form. The part A, I'll write bta. So log p equal log bt a. So actually I'll leave as it is because question is not worried about the y equal mxc plus form. So this is abt, then this is log a plus log bt, then log a plus t log b. Then I just, yeah, that's how the log p and log p. So next step is y equal mx plus c log p equal log b times t plus log a. So this is y equal mx plus c form. You may get this kind of graph. So this is approximately 0.8, this intercept, vertical intercept. So that is going to be c equal 0.88. So that is equal to log a. So then a equal 10.0.88. That is a is approximately 758, and m equal log b equal change in y over change in x. So this is 1.37 minus 1.26 over 50 minus 40. So this is 1, 1, this is 10. This is going to be, let me take the good gap, 1.37 minus 0.88. Last one will take, and 0, that is 50. Approximately this is going to be 0.0098, the all approximated values. And so b equal 10 to the power 0.90098. That is going to be 1.03 approximately. Part A, why exponential model often appropriate for model in a population growth, because dp over dt is proportional to p. Question number 8. I just read the first A part. Write down the equation of the line. So I can see a line. To write the equation, I should have 2 points or 1 point and an intercept. So y equal mx plus c. I can see c is 1.6. So y equal mx 1.6. And now I want to find gradient m. M is, there are 2 points. One is 10 2.55, another one is 0, 1.6. So m is m1 minus y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2. So this is going to be 0.95 over 10, 0.095. We don't need to read the sum even. Now, right, 0.095. Now the formula is n equal ABT. So I'll write BTA. So log n equal, so I can see the graph T and log n, the given graph. So log n equal log ABT, sorry, BTA. So log BT plus log A. So this is T log B plus log A log n. So log B T log BT plus log A log n. When you look at the graph given T and log n, so this really y value mean log n, because so this is log n and x is t. So this is log n equal mt plus 1.6. So now this is exactly matching the log n equal mt plus 1.6. So m equal log b equal 0.9095, b equal 10 to the power 0.095, and log a equal 1.6, a equal e to the power 10 to the power 1.6. So the next question is E. Interpret the meaning of the constant A in the model. So that is the initial number of 6 people, or number of sick people when t equals 0. Now the t part we want to predict after 30 days. So n equal a is approximately 40, b is going to be 1.2 t, and now t is 30. So n equal 40 times 1.2, 30. So approximately 9,500. And the reason is you want to predict the number of 6 people to nearest 100 and give one reason why might be the O estimate. Maybe that because people will aware there is a virus is going on, and then as a result the rate of spreading is decreasing. That may be a rate of spreading is may decrease, may decrease. Bracket thorough awareness when a virus is spreading, government or people will do things for it. Sometime as a result, awareness give with the proper awareness, that the rate of spreading may decrease, so that may be one reason. Question number 9. The first question is write down the equation. So as I said earlier, it's straightforward. So y equal mx plus c form. So this is going to be log w and log a. So y is log a, then gradient plus m is log w plus c. Now gradient is given, that is m equal 2 and c equal minus 0.1049. So log a equal 2 log w minus 0.1049. On b we have to again p w q. So log a equal log p w q. So log b plus q log w a. So log a equal q log w plus log b. This is equal to this one, log a equal 2 log w minus 0.1049. So q equal 2 and log b equal minus 0.1049, p equal 10 to the power minus 0.1049. This is 0.7854. Question number C. Suggest a name of family, the shape that the student investigating and justify your answer. So this is A equal 0.78, WQ equal to W square. It means A is proportional to W square. If you look at it, A equal pi r square, A is proportional to r square. So it's possibility. So the circles follow the same formula or same relationship. So it's a good guess is circle. Shapes could be circles. Area is proportional to radius square. So this is with our knowledge exist in year 10, year 11, 12. So this knowledge. So this is the one we can see. So this is a quadratic curve. If this is W, this is A. It's going to be a quadratic curve. If you take the positive, so then something like that. Do you think it could be a square? If you take this is W, then A equal W square. So that is also a quadratic graph. Actually, this is 0.78 square root W, 0.78 square root W. And this is also going to be 0.78 W square. So my feeling is the person who made this sum is the exact person who knows. But I can see this is 5 divided by 4 circle focusing to a 0.78 value. Hopefully this is going to be circle. So I leave this one. Actually, okay, we can think about like this. This is a circle, and diameter is W. Then area is 5 W2 square. So 5 W square over 4. This is 5 over 4 W square. This is going to be 0.78 approximately W square. So then we are referring to a circle. So you can think about circle.